thousands of new species are discovered each year. Every year brings a new cohort of species into the encyclopedia of life. In the past year, there have been at least 18,000 new species described. This may sound like a lot, but with millions more thought to be living on the planet, this is a mere scratch on the surface. Here are top 10 new animal discovered 2017. 10 of the most new species found that will amaze you. Xenotor churro. The strange pink worm named after a Spanish fried pastry was discovered 12,000 feet below the waves and may be one of our earliest ancestors. It's among 4 new species of bright, fuchsia flatworm-like animals found near hydrothermal vents as well as on a whale carcass off the coast of California. Genetic analysis has pinpointed the place of the underwater creatures near the base of the evolutionary tree of life, meaning they are one of our earliest ancestors. Previously, Xenotor was only known from a single species found in the waters off Sweden, which has puzzled biologists for almost 6 decades. Xenotor churro is 4 inches long, was discovered in a deep cold seep in the Gulf of California. Tulipagon diabolicus. The new species of orchid, called Tulipagon diabolicus, has a reproductive structure derived from the fusion of male and female flower parts into one, and it bears a striking resemblance to depictions of the devil's head. It's considered critically endangered and has only been discovered in southern Colombia. It's an epiphyta plant that grows harmlessly on another plant in moist, dwarf mountain forest. It's only been discovered in one location, currently threatened by reconstruction of a road that will negatively impact its habitat. There are about 3,600 species of orchids in Colombia alone, with new ones awaiting discovery. Solanum ossicorundum. The name of this new species was chosen with help from 157th grade life science students in Pennsylvania. Young fruits of the species stain blood red when cut before maturing into a dry, white bony state, so the final choice combines the Latin ossi for bony and cruendum for bloody. The woody plant is an upright shrub growing to 1 to 2 meters tall, forking at about 1/3 its height into 2 or 3 stems. Mature fruits change from light green to dark green, then chestnut brown, becoming leathery and bony hard. While it's considered a new species, it has been known to botanists for 50 years, once considered a variation of a related species, Solanum dioicum. Scolopendra cataracta. This new species of giant centipede is discovered by scientists. Scolopendra cataracta is the first known amphibious centipede which can move between land and water, and swims powerfully like an eel. The 20-centimeter-long venomous centipede looks like it could have crawled straight out of your nightmares, with 20 pairs of long legs and a greenish-black coloration that even entomologists are calling horrific. Named Scolopendra cataracta from the Latin word for waterfall, the long centipede is found in Southeast Asia and is thought to prowl the water at night hunting for aquatic or amphibious prey. Its population status is of concern because of habitat destruction. Potamotrigon rex. This large, polka-dot-patterned freshwater stingray lives in the Tocantins River in Brazil. The specimen discovered is 1,110 millimeters in length, but large specimens may weigh up to 20 kilograms. P. rex is among the 35% of the 350 documented fish species in the Tocantins River that are found nowhere else on Earth. It's blackish to blackish-brown in background, with bright yellow to orange spots that, combined with its size, earn it the title king. The discovery of such a large, brightly colored ray highlights how incompletely the fish of the Neotropics are known. Heideldragon. The mythical beasts featured in the popular fantasy TV drama have an insect-sized counterpart. Scientists were inspired to name the new ant species after Dragon, one of the fictional dragons from the TV series Game of Thrones, because of its large, dragon-like spines. Recently discovered in the tropical rainforests of Papua New Guinea, the dragon ant, named fiddledragon, was identified with the help of 3D imaging technology. The innovative imaging technology was used to peer inside the spines of the worker ants, which they found are filled with muscle. While the most obvious use of this muscle is for defense against predators, they also found they were filled with muscle which could make the insects stronger and more robust than their less spiny peers, helping them support their large heads. Ilicmetobini. A new species of millipede found lurking in the unexplored dark marble caves of Sequoia National Park in California left scientists baffled. The unique creature has 414 legs, 4 penises, bizarre-looking mouthparts and secretes a poisonous chemical as a defense mechanism. Named Illichmetobini, it was discovered during an expedition in 2006 and later revealed to be the evolutionary cousin of the leggiest animal on the planet, Illichmeplanips. Illichmetobini's body is covered in long silk-secreting hairs, and there are pores in its mouth that secrete an unknown chemical as a defense mechanism. Grey Silemus radix. The omnivorous Sulawesi root rat, discovered in Indonesia, eats both plant and animal matter, making it unique among its strictly carnivorous relatives. The rat is known to sometimes feed on roots, and the name G. radix is derived from the Latin word for root. It's most closely related to the Sulawesi water rat, with both belonging to a larger group, including shrew rats. Found only on Sulawesi Island in Indonesia, the rat is small and slender, with gray-brown fur, rounded ears, and a sparsely haired tail. 7 new species of rodents have been found since 2012, suggesting there remain many unknown rats in the fauna of Sulawesi. Eulpophyllum kirki. The Eulpophyllum kirki katydid insect, discovered in Malaysia, was discovered while researchers were looking for tarantulas and snakes in Borneo. Named after the photographer of the only known specimen, Peter Kirk, Eulpophyllum kirki uses color and mimicry to blend into surrounding leaves. The katydids are about 40 mm in length, with the males green and females pink. It's leaf-like in appearance, including hind legs that are similarly leaf-like in shape and detail. Because it was discovered in a highly protected area, collecting permits could not be obtained and no specimens were collected. This creates the potential of confusion in the future if similar katydids are discovered. The Harry Potter spider. The spider, found in the central western Ghats in Karnataka, India, bears an uncanny resemblance to the Sorting Hat in the Harry Potter film franchise. The spider, Ariovixia Gryffindori, is named after the original owner of the hat, Godric Gryffindor, one of the 4 founders of the Hogwarts School for Witchcraft and Wizardry. The small spider, which is 7 mm long, is nocturnal and takes refuge in dead, dry leaves which they were well camouflaged for. The spider's shape and color allow it to mimic the look of dead leaves when it's asleep during the day so that predators don't see it. The spider was discovered by a team of scientists in India, led by J. Ahmed, an arachno-naturalist.
Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Top 10 videos world.